Hey guys, today we're going to learn how we can use Telegram to help us get signals and do some trades. And the basic element of this is to use ChatGPT or any other AI platform to create a Telegram bot, and which gives us signals on if we should go long or short, or if we should buy some currencies or we sell it. So we'll just jump into this learning phase where we will be doing and creating a bot which will be giving us signals on what to do and what are the market conditions based on the indicators. So rather than analyzing ourselves, the bot will do it itself, and it will be done all on backend coding, which we will be doing nothing. ChatGPT will be taking care of it. You can use any other AI platform too, but right now we're going to use ChatGPT. You can see that's on my screen. We will create the project. The only thing you need is like a Telegram app on your laptop or your phone. You need ChatGPT and you need a terminal. So terminal, I have opened the terminal. It looks like this. We have ChatGPT and we have Telegram. So let's just jump into it. So when you ask ChatGPT to do something, it will ask you to make a new folder and enter it. So just copy everything it gives you and then paste it here. So we created the folder, and now your folder is called Telegram Trading Bot. Once you create it, it's going to ask you to download or create an environment for Python. So we have to copy this and we'll paste it here, and let's just wait what happens. So now we already pasted, the environment is created. Now we'll go and activate the virtual environment. We'll just copy and paste it here. It has activated the virtual environment for us. Now verifying that we are using Python, and it's just an optional check. So let's see how it works. We'll just copy it and paste it here. Nothing happens, so maybe we're working, and expected if I should end with Python 3. So yeah, so we have, yes, we have Python 3, and it tells us that it should show Python 3. If you don't, it will actually tell you what to do next, so don't worry about it. Install everything the bot needs. So okay, so let's copy this one, upgrade pip inside the folder. So let's just paste it here. It's successfully installed. You can see it here. Let's just move forward with the next one. Installed packages includes Share Job Queue Extra. So everything, whatever it's saying, just make sure you do it. It will install everything for us. You can see how fast it's doing it, and it's also installing everything on terminal, but it's actually installing everything on our laptop. Everything is successfully installed, and let's just create the env file. So that's the main secret file that we have to create to integrate the Telegram. So copy this code, go here, paste it here, and you can see a new window has popped up, and this is where we have to copy and paste this exact text, and then replace the placeholder later. So we would need a Telegram bot token and a Telegram chat ID that I will show you how you can get it. So once you copy this, paste it here, and then let's just go back and see what it says. It's asking us to get the bot token ID and chat ID. So let me just go and show how you can do that. So for that, you have to go and search for BotFather on Telegram, and once you search for BotFather, you have to press open. And once you open, it will ask you to create a new bot. So just put any name, and then once you create the bot, like once you're creating the bot, make sure the bot name must end in bot. So n should be always bot. So if I wrote this, it should be bot. See here it says available. So since we already have a bot, we'll just go here. Once you create a bot, it will show you an area which is hidden. This is the API key, and you have to copy this one. So I'll copy this one, and I'll go here and I'll go paste it in front of the Telegram bot token. So I'll just remove everything here until the is equal sign, and then I will paste it here. I pasted it. Now moving the next step is to get the chat ID. So to get a chat ID, you gotta have to write raw data bot. So when you write it on your Telegram, it will give you a blank screen, and then you have to press start. You can see it says start here. Once you press start, it will give you your chat ID. You just have to click on it and copy it, and then let's go back to the place where we have to put it. So now we'll paste the chat ID here. These are some important steps because we need to integrate our Telegram with the terminal, so it can give us live update about the market based on the indicators. Now since we are done, let's see what's the next step. So once we do it, we just have to press Control O. Once you press Control O, you can see it comes here, file name, press enter, and then Control X. We go back to the terminal. Once you do that, create the bot program. So now we'll be doing the programming, but we won't be doing the coding here. We'll just copy paste. So you have to copy this one and paste it here. Another window comes up, and this is where the main coding would go. So it asks us to paste all of the code below, and we just have to copy it and we'll paste it, right? As soon as you do it, Control O, enter, Control X, everything is done. Okay, now let's see what are the next step. Okay, so put the Telegram values into use. So we already did that. We put the Telegram bot token and the chat ID, right? So let's just try to run the bot. So let's copy this and paste it here. Okay. So it says bot started interval 2 minutes. For that we can see, okay, so bot was actually started. You can see on this Telegram that we had 3 currencies: BTC, Ethereum, and Solana. And you can see that the signal is wait, do not trade, means based on the indicators and RSI and EMA 950, it is telling us not to trade right now. Market is in a limbo, so just don't trade. And it will give you the current price, it will tell you the volume, it will tell you the candle time, and it's actually also going to tell you the RSI, which is the relative strength index. So see, now our bot is working, and leverage signal is every 5 minutes. You can go and ask ChatGPT to give you the coding to change the signal time. And yep, this is it. Our bot would be, now it's working. And to test in Telegram, we just already did whatever it's saying, and it is simple as that. You can change the time, you can create your own Telegram bot and then sell it to other people, and it's relatively very easy. And add as much coins you want to add, or if you want to add companies like Google, Tesla, Amazon, you can create that too. It will give you signals and how the market is actually performing or behaving right now, and you can make money out of it. Remember, you can also ask him to give you a ideal condition of trading and give you stop loss and take profit too, so you can just follow whatever it says. Remember, stop loss is important, so make sure you have your stop losses in place. And that's very much it. In next video we can work on learning new things that we can use AI to do it for us, rather than we spending our own time and energy analyzing the market. So we'll meet you next time. Thank you and bye.